Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Muhammad Hassan Nawaz. As my group member Hisham Gul is briefly explain on car evolution. So I continue to this topic and explain the beginning of the automobile journey. After the invention of first gas-powered vehicle, later advancement were being made. In 1889, the first V12 engine was built. In 1891, the first manual transmission engine was made. In 1899, the first hybrid vehicle was made by Penhard's latest. So these vehicles are very advanced. In 1903, the vehicles were made which has a four wheels. The first automobiles were manufactured. The first automobiles were manufactured in France and Germany. Later, this technology is transferred in America. The first automobile company start its work from America, and later these companies earn many monies. All the old start.
Okay, your name is
Muhammad Hassan Nawaz.
Muhammad Hassan. Hassan Nawaz.
जी मैम.
Hassan Nawaz.
जी मैम.
Okay. Hassan Good.
कंटिन्यूज कर.
Here's Muhammad Awais Alam, and when I am here to explain when did auto industry boom. In 1920s, there was tremendous production of more advanced and luxurious, comfortable cars. As in 1930s, more advancements were made in the mechanics. Many features are introduced in the cars, like steering wheels, like and auto wheels and auto steerings are also introduced. Next, for example, in 1935, Ben Carroll also explained and made a new car which is called Mercedes-Benz, and this is the first diesel engine car which is made by the Benz Carroll. These were the cars which are made by the Benz Carroll in 1935, and these looks very cool, and these have no many advanced features like auto steerings, and it needs driver to drive the car in the long distance. But today we can see that many electric cars are available in showrooms which is owned by Elon Musk, which is
Okay, good. Your name is
Muhammad Awais.
Muhammad. पूरा name नहीं है शायद.
Muhammad Awais 190.
Good. Awais.
Thank you. Now we'd like to call Muhammad Ahmad to explain the features.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ahmad Ahad. I am going to explain the feature of car. With the development in the technology, features of car also have been developed. These can decrease in the accident possibility. Now I discuss the power steering. Power steering is a system that decreases the effort by a driver to turn the wheel. This is better than the past when there is a lot of effort have been required. Cruise control means there is speed control. There is a system in car which automatically the speed of car can be controlled.
Next slide.
मैं एक्सप्लेन करना
हाँ ना, आपने क्या कर दिया? मैंने कहा next slide.
टाइप्स ऑफ कार पेट्रोल कार जीप स्पोर्ट कार हाइब्रिड कार सोलर कार इलेक्ट्रिक कार पेट्रोल कार आर द कार which are in which fuel hybrid one mixtures of the properties the cars in which the all the car properties are mixed to
मुझे ना first time बहुत अच्छा लगा.
electric car in which the fuel in which electricity is used as a fuel. Sports car Ferrari it's a sports car. Ferrari is a sports car. It's also owned by Ronaldo. also. Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, footballer, international footballer.
The maximum jump height of the Ronaldo is what?
10 feet. Seven feet.
5 मीटर
Messi.
Messi also footballer. He belonged to Argentina.
Who is best?
हाँ जी. I like Messi. I like Messi the most because हाँ जी.
Messi owns which car?
Both Ferrari and Lamborghini. मोहम्मद हमाद आई.
Assalamu alaikum. My name myself Adil Ahmed and I am here to Adil Ahmed and I am here to explain sports car. What is a sports car? Sports car is a car designed with an emphasis on dynamic performance like handling, acceleration, speed, velocity and yeah.
It's a Lamborghini.
Bugatti and Lamborghini. These are different types. Different companies made the sports car like Bugatti, Lamborghini, and many more like Ferrari and Rolls Royce.
How many gears are tendered in Bugatti?
5.
Really?
Yeah.
Seater ही हो.
If I would sit in 12 men, confirm बताएंगे तो इधर नंबर लग जाएंगे वरना नहीं। इन्हें clue दे सकते हैं कि कितने हैं?
6.
आप पूछ सकते हैं।
Huh? 6.
जब आप confirm ही नहीं थे तो सारे करते नंबर। What is your name?
Adil Ahmed.
Adil. Adil, good very good. Thank you.
Myself Umair Mukhtar and my topic is electric car.
presentation है आपके पास I'm thinking I must bring my son Mustafa over here. उसको उसका ये favorite topic है क्या सभी लड़कों का होता है लेकिन पूरी रोड पे जीटी रोड पर हर गाड़ी का नाम मुझे बता देता है ये दूर से मुझे शायद तक नहीं पता चला ये सिविक है ये करोला है और ये ओके जी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड
Some feature
most luxurious car in Pakistan right now is which one? Most luxurious plus expensive one. Look one ही लेना
नंबर की नहीं मैम नंबर की नहीं
पूरा रोड.
Be quiet everyone.
नंबर की नहीं
हाँ?
नंबर की नहीं मैम है
Lamborghini gold plated invented और ये बोल Lamborghini gold plated invented और in Islamabad. Price around 60 to 80 crore.
60 to 80 करोड़ मैम ये मैम ये इस्लामाबाद में है 60-80 करोड़ की है 60 to 80 करोड़ की है।
लैम्बोर्गिनी वेंटेडोर
Lamborghini।
वेंटेडोर गोल्ड प्लेटेड।
नो मैम, स्लाइड के अंदर नहीं है।
लैम्बोर्गिनी गोल्ड प्लेटेड।
कौन सा सॉन्ग में आई है? कौन सा सॉन्ग में आई है?
आपकी भरपूर तालियों में राना साहब आ गए। राना, तुम्हारे मार्क्स क्या आज राजेंद्र या डीडा प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा था ग्रुप नंबर इसका?
याद है, याद ही कोई नहीं।
चलो, you have to sing the song को जो भी हम कह रहे थे।
मैम वो थोड़ा बेहुदा सॉन्ग है, बेहुदा है थोड़ा सा। हाँ जी।
प्योर पंजाब, हाँ?
यस मैम।
ठीक है, फिर पंजाबी।
की बोलना मैम, की बोला मैं? बताएंगे तो मैं बोलूँगा ना, कुछ बताएंगे मैं बोल दूँगा। आप नहीं नहीं, क्या बोलना क्या? ये शेर सुना दो। अच्छा, वो क्या था? हम इश्क के दरख्त के नीचे इश्क लड़ाया करते थे। वो भांडे मांजा करती थी, हम मज नवाया करते थे। और मैं एक शेर उर्दू का खालिस। चलता है खंजर तो चले मेरी रगों पर, मैं खुद ही बेच कभी झुक नहीं सकता। मिटने को तो ये दुनिया मिट सकती है, लेकिन मैं तारीख के और आग से बट नहीं सकता। जनाब सदर,
electric car are those which are partially or fully powered by electric car. Electric car do not so popular because of their higher prices, and many companies have produced electric car, but Tesla is only one famous electric company. Electric vehicles offer an opportunity to replace fossil fuels in the transport sector, and electrification of transport sector bring benefit in terms of increased efficiency, energy, and reduce. मैम डीजल पे बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी इंजन चलते हैं, ट्रक वगैरह हो गया मैम, मतलब ट्रक वगैरह हो गया या बड़ी गाड़ी वगैरह हो गई। और मैम आपने क्या पूछा है? मैम सीसी सीसी के हिसाब से, मतलब
Horse power is this one is one. Is equal to which one?
वन सेवन मैम 746 वाट। मैर मुख्तार
कोई आल्टो पे ले जा ट्रक तू पागल दे भैया आल्टो पे लगे वो आल्टो पे ला जाए यार क्यों जलील कराऊंगा सॉरी तो आगे
यस
राना ये भी राना कुछ सीखो।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आई एम हियर टू प्रेजेंट माय नेम इज रनस नावला एंड आई एम हियर टू प्रेजेंट
अच्छा जिससे बातें करनी मामूर
dream cars due to price. Mostly people wants to buy Ferrari, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Volkswagen. But when thinking our budget, its dreams convert into like this Alto. Alto produced Suzuki company in 1979. It is operating in 160 countries in the world at that time. In first time in Pakistan, 800cc Alto introduced by Suzuki in 1984. There have some variants in Alto, VXR, VXL. Now,
VXR stands for
sorry, ma'am. Now Suzuki company introduced a latest model of Alto 660cc in 2022, which are the mini cars and suitable for small families. And the main feature is it have a three cylindrical engine, which fuel consumption is 37 liter per kilometer. Future of cars. When we think about our future car designs, technology is the biggest driver behind the latest cars. Thank you so much.